Did you know Hinduism is cosmically connected to the universe? In Hinduism, the universe is not just a bunch of stars, it's alive. It's believed to be a giant, endless cycle called samsara, where creation, preservation, and destruction keep repeating. Brahma creates it, Vishnu preserves it, and Shiva? He brings the grand finale with cosmic destruction, just to start it all over again. And the Om sound? It's said to be the very vibration of the universe itself. The Big Bang of spirituality, if you will. Pretty mind-blowing, right? The universe isn't just out there. It's deeply connected to you and everything around you.